Hello there, pretty people. Welcome back to my channel. And hello, gorgeous creatures who just happened to visit this channel. Welcome. So please call me Lola. I'd like to introduce myself again. And for those who are new here, this channel is about DIY fashion and lifestyle. If you're into sewing, thrifting, styling clothing, recycling your outfits, and practicing sustainable fashions and wardrobe, then yes, you're in the right place. I got your back. Please do not hesitate to follow this channel. I'm sure you're gonna find something useful to you, or just have a little fun and relaxing moment watching me create something new from something old, alright? And also do follow my other social medias for more fashion contents. I put the link in this video description. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day today. So, what's in town for today's episode? Yup, it's thrift flip day today. I'll walk you through the process of me getting supper. Just kidding. I show you my progress to transform a normal t-shirt with a really nice and slightly glossy fabric into a cute and sexy floral crop top. To start, I untack the top and flip over to take advantage of the back neck, as I want my design to have a medium brown neck, so I choose the back side of the old top to be my front for the new top. Then I detach the sleeves, as my new design will not have sleeve. Next, I unthread the shoulder sew. My plan is to make the new design backless. Oh yes, and I want to make a crop top, so I just cut out the lower part of the top as well. Sorry, the lighting from my video will be a bit darker from now on, as I was sewing in the evening already. Okay, now cut two sides of the front armpit covers. You can see where to cut out for the armpit area design following my finger pointings. So after cutting out the unwanted, hem the upper back of the top. Here, please pay a bit more attention. I want the armpit line to be connected to the back hem by an inner strap. So I hem the upper part of the top, both the front side boobies part and the upper back part, and make it loose inside so I have enough space to insert the straps later on. To make it easier to hem later, I iron the hem folding first, then fold the fabric second time and use the pin to make it stay thin. Then sew. I know my video is only about 15 minutes each, but I just want to confess, to complete sewing something right, it takes days or even weeks or months for me. This is one of the reasons. So I finished sewing the hem right, but I realized the threading is quite messy, so I gotta stop, re-thread it and sew it over again. Hush. This is uneasy but unavoidable issue a sewist can cope with. So any one of you who are currently into sewing, I feel you guys, I mean it too. And this is the finished hem. Look quite okay. make the straps by cutting out a fabric pattern from the leftover lower part of the top. Fold the straps in half, both sides the same size, then iron it to make it easier to sew. After sewing, it's gonna look like this. Now we need to flip the strap inside out. Well, I must confess to you again, this is a very boring long part of sewing. Yes, I know there is some tricks for this, but I haven't learned them properly. So for now, for this top right, I'll just do it my manual way. This is how long it's gonna take me. I keep moving around. After flipping inside out, it's gonna look like this. Now let's cut a tiny little hole in the middle of the upper back of the top. This is to insert the straps I just made. A small tip here is to tie one tip of the strap to something small and straight. For example, this hairpin, so you can insert the strap into the tunnel faster. I made another longer strap for the neckline as well, so in total we have 2 short straps for 2 sides of size boobies hem and 1 long strap for the neckline. Finally, they will look like this in the top. I cannot sew the beginning of the strap tunnel yet, so I tie them by a dead knot first to secure their place at the top. At this moment, I realize part of the neckline tunnel is useless and quite not so pleasant looking, so I just decided to cut it out. Then insert a long strap into the neckline tunnel again. Now let's make a ruffle finish to connect it with the top. I used the leftover fabric, rethread everywhere to maximize the fabric that I can use. I cut out into a few pieces around 5 cm wide and make the cut wavy as I don't want to make it straight. Simple as that. Pick 2 ruffle I just cut and put the 2 wavy ruffles left side together with the body of the top, one at the front and the other one at the back, and make the extra ruffle string which are not connected to the body top falling down into 2 opposite sides and sew it with overlocking thread. And guys, I was so happy when I chose this fabric to make floral design. You know why? I just discovered that when I burn the edge of this fabric, it creates a pretty burn effect. The color of the fabric is pinky beige, right? And the texture is a bit wrinkle. So when the edge is burned, it is somehow similar to the edge of the flowers, guys. And then I want a floral design. So I decided to burn all the edge of the wavy ruffles. This is seriously the highlight of this video, okay? Sorry, my bad. Now let's make more ruffle strings to make our top more dramatic. From all the leftover fabric I had, I just cut out as many wavy straps as possible. The side might from 2 cm to 5 cm as I don't want all of them with the same size. This part is the progress of me creating many more wavy ruffles, burning them all and trying not to get bored of it, okay? In total, I like number 7, so I try to arrange this amount of ruffle into the top and not overdo it. To finish the design, I use once again leftover fabric to make a fabric flowers to attach to one of the side top, and the rest I just randomly attach the wavy ruffle to the place I think it looks pretty. I cut out about 8 pieces of round pattern and 1 small wavy strap, burn them and then arrange them in 3 layers and sew them together to make a flower. Now, let's see the final look. I tried playing around with the top and surprisingly there are 3 ways to wear this. My favorite is actually the third way. What do you think?
Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I do hope that you enjoy my video so far. I hope that you get something from it, like just a little laugh or just a little break from your daily busy life, or you can get some idea for your next sewing project or your next outfit idea. Let's have fun together, sewing and fashion styling. Okay, love ya, bye bye.